Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Pegasus Technologies. Today I am going to introduce our new launch scanner, which is PS5260 scanner. It is cost-effective scanner and made with high quality materials. It is wireless scanner that has 3 indicators, which is Bluetooth, QR codes and power. It is made with Type-C interface, which we can use it with Type-C cable, and it supports Bluetooth and wireless dongle that we can use with mobile phones and computers. It can scan 1D linear barcodes and QR codes. It is very easy to use and handheld device, and it is best solution for retail industries and stores. You can store data in this scanner and upload whenever you require, and export data in Excel or in your software. Now I am going to show you a demo for PS5260 scanner, that how easily it will scan and capture QR codes quickly.